everybody, and welcome back to another studio vlog. So it is now just after 5 on the 14th of September. Some of you guys know that last week I did not film a studio vlog. There was some stuff happening in my personal life, and it was a pretty hard time for me and my family. So I just wasn't really feeling like filming, and yeah, I don't know. But I felt pretty good today and I wanted to film again. First off, I guess I'll just jump in and show you some of the things that I worked on last week and didn't film. So first things first, I finished my Froggy Fruit Pals packs. So I have my little pack all done, but yeah, anyway, it comes with 4 stickers, a strawberry froggy, a apple froggy, a peach froggy, and a orange froggy. It just says Froggy Fruit Pals and it has my handle on there, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. I have the backing card printed on the thickest cardstock that my printer can handle, which is not very thick, unfortunately, but this is the best we can do. So this is what I'm doing, and I have 3 of these all done up, and I cannot even express how excited I am to actually hopefully sell these to somebody. I'm pretty happy with them. I keep on like looking at them and I want them to be so perfect. Like if there's any small thing at all, I want to like redo the whole thing. And I don't know, I think I'm like hyper perfectionist when it comes to stuff for my shop, and I'm trying to not be as hyper perfectionist. Obviously I still want to be a perfectionist because like my whole heart and soul is in this, but I need to breathe a little bit because I'm hand making pretty much everything. So there are gonna be things that aren't perfect and things that are a little off sometimes. Speaking of things that are off, I was so frustrated last night. I guess I haven't showed any of this at all to you guys, so I'll show you the best one that I have. I turned my Patreon wallpaper into a sticker sheet, and I love it so much. So I did this last week and I laid it out into a cute little sticker sheet and made sure that all the colors are appropriate and looking good, and I'm really happy with how it came out. There's so many little tiny stickers, but I hope people will still enjoy that. There's some cute little ghosties and some little apples and acorns. So pretty much everything on here is a sticker other than a couple of the little like sparkles and stuff. But I was having so many problems. This one, I don't know if you can see, but at the bottom it's slightly off. I hope that's focused again. But then I tried to recalibrate it, and every single one after that, like look at how many sheets I have here. I do two of these sheets per sticker page of sticker paper, and like these are all horribly misaligned, and some of them cut all the way through, which was really annoying. You can see my little acorn is like cut out. Oh my gosh, like I can't even explain how frustrating it has been trying to get my Cricut to work properly. I don't know what happened. Like it was literally working perfect, and then all of a sudden it started cutting everything completely misaligned. Like I'll show you an example. I don't know if you can see that, but everything is so off. I did what anyone would do when their Cricut is not printing straight, and I recalibrated it. After several attempts, I got it cutting pretty much perfectly. Like I think as perfectly as you can get your Cricut to cut. And I was like, great, perfect, this is gonna work now. Every single time I would load in my actual sticker file, it would cut it off. I don't know why. Like, and then I would pause it and I would cancel it, and then I would go to recalibration again and I would recalibrate it and it would be perfect, like perfect. So I don't know what's going on still. I was up until almost 3 o'clock last night wrestling with my Cricut. I think I kept all my roommates up because my Cricut kept going off, but I didn't even realize how late it had gotten because I just really wanted to get it fixed, and it's still not working. I haven't tried it today yet. I think it has something to do with Cricut Design Space, and I think it might be like the print and cut option is just like not reliable sometimes. So I found a hack on YouTube that I'm going to try, and I'm gonna show you guys the process of me trying that, and hopefully it works because I am ready to chuck my Cricut out the window. I'm so frustrated. I just want to have these stickers done, and I want to make more stickers so that I can open my shop, and I feel like I'm so close to being able to set a date, and then this happens. I don't know. So anyway, gonna try that hopefully later today. But yeah, like I'm super bummed. Like this is such a waste of sticker paper. And like, I don't know, I really didn't want to waste this much, but every time I kept trying things and every time it wouldn't work. But I don't know. I'm really frustrated. So yeah, that was my night yesterday. That was my evening yesterday. Yeah, and then I also made a couple more thank you cards. I fixed these up a little bit, so my little thank you card is done. This is kind of funny because I drew myself, but I'm going to my cousin who is a hairdresser on Friday, and I'm completely changing my hair. And I'm not going to tell you what it is because I'm going to film it later in this video and you'll get to see it. But it's different than this. So I'm going to have these thank you cards with my face on them, and I'm going to look different. Hopefully that's fine because I'm really excited about changing up my hair, and it was kind of a last minute thing. So hopefully people will understand, or maybe they won't understand, but hopefully they still enjoy the little thank you card. Anyway, I have been relatively productive today. I still have to do quite a bit of contract work, and then hopefully tonight I will be able to work on my Cricut hack, and I will take you guys along for that. So yeah, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Sorry guys, the lighting is not great right now, but I was just checking up on my plants, and look at this. There's a new leaf that's going to be coming up. I'm so excited. Go Bunty, go! So some of you guys might know what I'm doing here. I'm following a guide by a guy on YouTube. I can't remember exactly what his user is, but I'll definitely be sure to link that. But basically what he does is he places tape on his Cricut mat and then gets his Cricut to cut out a standard piece of paper size on the mat, and then uses that as a template and basically prints all of his stuff directly from Photoshop, and then just uploads the cut lines into the Cricut design space. I'm not sure if any of that made sense, but hopefully I can show you guys what I'm doing, and hopefully this works because I am so frustrated. Okay, so I have my Cricut mat all set up with the tape roughly around where a sheet of paper would be. In his video, he covers the whole Cricut mat. I might do that just to keep this side from getting like stuck with all fluffies and everything. But for now, I figured I would just do this to save myself some time. And then I just went into Cricut Design Studio and I created a square that was 8.5 by 11 inches, which is the standard piece of paper size. And I'm gonna cut it out so that we have the perfect template to use standard paper sizes. So let's do it. Okay, so I just set up my file in Photoshop. So I have my registration marks in the corner, and then I have my sticker sheets, and I also created the cut lines, which I just exported into Cricut Design Space. I'm not explaining this very well because I know that you can just go online and watch Eric M. Boyd's video, but if you guys want me to explain it better, let me know. If it works, we'll see. But yeah, so I have these are all the cut lines that I've imported into the Cricut Design Space as strictly cut lines. And then I've also added a bunch of the layers of the outer part of my sticker sheet so that it will cut over and over and over, and hopefully die cut the sticker sheet out so that I won't have to cut it once it's done, if that makes sense. So wish me luck. excuse my hair and my overall appearance. And the Cricut going in the background is now almost midnight. Let me just flip the camera around. I have my Cricut now plugged into my computer instead of using the Bluetooth because I thought maybe that might help. It didn't. 18 trillion papers later, these are quick prints because I was using so much freaking ink. There is my bin filled with misprinted paper and recalibration papers. And I think it's still slightly off, but it's getting better. I'm so incredibly frustrated. I literally would sell my soul to Cricut to have a good print. Hopefully I'll have something to show for by the end of the night, even though it's already technically the AM. I'm losing it. I'll touch base with you guys tomorrow. Hi, sorry, it's me again. Okay, so it's now, I think it's past 1. Yeah, past 1 o'clock. And I just made 2 sticker sheets that are actually, they're actually okay. They're actually decent. They're the best ones I've made so far, but also I'm an idiot because I sized them up and now they don't fit in any of the envelopes that I have. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to do this again. But I think I know how to make it work. I have more ideas. It's been a rough night, but I made progress, and that is what counts, because there was definitely a point where I was like, this is not getting better and I don't know why. So I think I figured it out. I have an idea of what to try tomorrow. So I'm gonna have a shower and go to bed because I actually set a grocery pickup for tomorrow morning at 9. I have to quickly get my butt in bed, and then I will talk to you guys again tomorrow. Bye. Hi everybody, I feel like I have not sat down in front of the camera to talk in days. It's now Thursday. 2 days ago I was working on my Cricut and I was having not great luck with it, as you probably saw. Yeah, it kind of sucked. It was really discouraging to have so many problems going on with my Cricut, especially since it seemed to be cutting perfectly fine, and then I switched over to cutting my sticker sheets and it just would not, nothing would cut right. I tried for hours. I think I probably put like 10 hours into trying to figure out how to get it to work, and still I haven't gotten a perfect cut yet. I've gotten really close, probably perfect enough or good enough to be classified as like an A quality sticker sheet. I'm just such a perfectionist with this stuff, and even if one sticker is like slightly off, it doesn't seem good enough to me. So that was frustrating. And I was gonna work on it again last night, but then I was talking to my roommate and she was saying that she's noticed a lot of people have had Cricut problems lately, and it seems like there's gonna be an update, or it doesn't seem like there is gonna be an update. The update happened tonight. So there's an update on Cricut Design Space, and I'm hoping that there was just something going on with Design Space, because if there's something off with Design Space, then there's going to be something off with your Cricut, because Design Space is what's telling your Cricut how to cut things. So I'm hoping that's what it is. I wanted to try and make some more sticker sheets tonight, because I can't remember if I talked about this, but the 2 good sticker sheets I made, these aren't them, but these are the same size. I upsized them because I was worried that these ones were too small, and that's why my Cricut was struggling to cut them. So I made them bigger, but now they don't fit in my envelopes. I'm running into a lot of problems, and yeah, I wanted to try and mess around with it more tonight, but tonight I'm having tacos with my friends. So my roommates and some friends from school, and yeah, they're gonna come over. Not too many people. That's gonna be fun. I'm really excited to have some tacos. And I think we're gonna watch Twilight too, which is also really entertaining because Twilight, especially the first two, I'm pretty sure, are just so bad. They're good. That's what I'm doing tonight, so I won't be making any stickers, I don't think, unless I try to do it late tonight. We'll see. I wanted to edit tonight too because tomorrow I'm going to my hair appointment and it's gonna be crazy. Everybody, so here is the final result. My hair is now red and I love it so much. My cousin did such a good job. I'm just about to go into my parents' house and see them and show them. Most of them have no idea what I've done with my hair, so that's going to be exciting. Yeah, and my cousin gave me a bunch of extra dye so that I can touch up my roots and stuff. So that should be really good. And yeah, oh my gosh, I'm really happy with it. It feels good. I think I'm going to end this studio vlog here. I feel like this vlog was kind of all over the place, so thank you guys for bearing with me. Hopefully next week will be a little bit more usual and concise. And hopefully next week I can get my Cricut working because I haven't had a chance to try it since the Design Space update. So that's what's going to be on the agenda next week. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day and I will see you guys next week. Bye!